Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up a Monzo bank account in the US to begin. Download the Monzo app from your app store and launch it on your phone. Once the app opens, select the option that says you're new to Monzo to begin creating your account. Enter your email address and continue. Monzo will immediately send a confirmation email, so head over to your inbox and open it. Tap the confirmation link inside the email to verify your address and return to the app. Next, choose the type of account you'd like to open. After that, fill in your personal details, including your full name and date of birth. Then move to the next step. You'll now be asked to enter your residential address and mobile number. Monzo will send a text message with a verification code. Type that code into the app to confirm your number. Once verified, continue through the setup by selecting the option to proceed and answering a few quick security questions to protect your account. When prompted, start the identity verification process. Agree to the terms and conditions and follow the instructions provided on screen. Monzo will review your information, and approval typically takes up to 24 hours. As soon as your application is accepted, your account will be active and ready to use. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials.